Hello, it's me, Joy/Fairy Liquid from the magical land of JingJangJooJong, where I entertain you to entertain children. It's really good to have you here. I just thought I'd upload this video on a quick face paint, which takes 30 seconds. I originally did it for a teacher at school because I couldn't make it to the school fair last minute. So I did the video just to show her what to do. And I just thought I'd share it here. So I won't go in anymore. Let's get started. Oh, by the way, I am so sorry for my messy kitchen.
Right, we're just going to do a quick unicorn. So using the multi-cake there, just going to load it up. You might just have to do a little quick test to check it's the right consistency. Whoops, probably a bit wet that one. Rainbow. Blowing it, because that's too wet. Right, unicorn stencil. Obviously this is a bit difficult on myself, but it will just give me the shape I think that I need. Yeah, that's fine. Purple hair. Okay, and then we want a yellow horn. Oops. Yeah, this isn't going to work because that was just really wet then. Oh, that's not too bad. Could be worse. Right, now we're going to just do some black outlining and then we're done. So I'm just going to, whoops, get a finer point. Eyelashes. Whoop. And then a little sprinkle just to bring it to life. Whoops, too much again. And there we have it. Very, very quick unicorn cheek art.
Anyway, just thought I'd upload it if you found it helpful. Do let me know in the comments below. And also, especially if you'd like to see some of my other designs, because I did do some other designs as well that just take 30 seconds. Thank you very much.